Hey everyone, it's Gretchen here at Catnpaws. So, trip to Michael's, I think over 2 trips actually, and just now getting to it so I can put everything away. So this is from their backyard table collection. I think it was 50% off, and then it had an additional coupon. So for 30 sets of envelopes, they came down to a couple bucks, and I got the craft and the, I guess I would say they were vanilla colored, and I figure they'd just be good for whatever, and they are a set. So I got those, and then they also had their storage on sale at the time, and I saw the chicken with the egg basket and said, oh, it's mine. And you can see it's one of those magnetic closing books. Has a chicken in the background there, or should I say some hens, and it has that magnetic closure. So I'm going to put that up on my storage and maybe stick something in it, maybe not, just admire nature's beauty. Then I did get a couple more storage things. So these are the divider trays. I think after the coupon they were $2.60 something. They are a set of 3. This is in the mint, and they go with the latchmate system. So when I went looking for the latchmate, because what I want to do is try to move a bunch of my beading stuff over so I can put it into my calyx, they only had the pink left, which I'm okay with. So it does have the inside tray, but I'll show you. It's made so it will stay latched on to your lid, so you don't have to take it off, or you can pull that down and remove it if you want, which I'll do to show you what's in here. There is a tray, and then these are made, I think, to fit in there. You can get the smaller ones, but I got mine to put in my drawers. But I really like that. So now when I pull it out of my cabinet, get this back on here, I can leave it attached like that. So that's pretty cool. It does say on the instructions how it's made to use the additional dividers and stuff. So that is that. And then the rest, I believe, is clearance. Just a couple more things. I got these Heidi Swap on clearance for 79 cents. 4 envelopes. I know it's like not the best bargain, but for 80 cents. Fun envelopes. And I got another kind. That has the twine you wrap around to close it. So 4 of those, again for 79 cents. And they were the Heidi Swap. And a couple other things I got in the clearance section. I'm trying to get those back in. These here, they are embellishments, planner accessories. You can see they were $1.99, originally $4. Not the best deal, but sometimes when I see something, I'll get it to see if I can use it as a pattern. And that's what I got these for. There's that pattern, and that one with the V cut. And this one that's rounded off. The tuck. And you see I'm like kind of looking to see how they do that. And it seems like they, I don't know how they did it. Special paper. And then just another pocket. So that's kind of why I picked that up. So I'm kind of nosing again through the clearance, and I notice these kits, card and envelope sets, originally $9.99, on sale for $3.99, or should I say on clearance for $3.99. I get one, I go to the scanner, and they actually came up $2.99. So I said, okay, I'll get a couple of them, because they come with all kinds of ephemera and just like a kit that kind of says, okay, now you can lay out what you want, and it kind of guides you through it. So this is the snail mail flip book. I would think in a traveling kit, because it does not say. They're both snail mail. Makes one card. They come like this, and inside this kit, there's some rub. It comes with a rub-on stick, some rub-ons. This is the traveling kit. These are washi strips, and a couple of mine did get damaged. You can tell they must have been there for a while because stickers were kind of shoved up underneath them. To write your letter. An envelope. Another envelope. I have some of these in craft from Recollections, which is really neat. So you can tuck something in there, write it. Some of these adhesive foam mounts. Some, what are these, geotags? And I got so much stuff on my desk right now. Some stickers. Ephemera. So this is an example of what comes in one. In case you're like, what is in that, or what is it if you see one and you're interested. There's another one. There's little envelopes, coin envelopes. There's another one. This one just has a pocket. So that's what's in the travel one. I did open up my other one too if you want to see it. Again, this is what they look like. There's a number if you want to try to look it up by number on Michael's to see if they have them online on clearance. And this is more of a springtime or birthday hello kid, I guess you could say. Whoa! Yeah, did you just witness that? Again with the coin envelope, there's some stickers. The foam mounts are there, and I'll just lower you down and show you what's in it as I pick everything up. A love and flowers, a tag, some more tags. That's a chipboard piece, and I got more down here. I got a picture frame, flower, a birdie. I got one that fell over here. Okay, that's everything. Sweet. And one of those pocket envelopes with a piece of dog hair on it. Here's the washi strip, and you can see here where it's peeled up. It's not like really thick washi, it's very thin washi, but still fun. Here's my rub-ons. My piece of paper. This really reminds me of the English cottage, rose cottage. They have a one just like this, a page in there. It's a different color. There's the envelope, and here's the other one that has polka dots on the inside. There is the envelope. So that's it. That's my micros. Not a whole lot, but just wanted to share with you, just in case you're shopping through the clearance section and you're looking for things, or if you want a chicken book. You know. All right. Take it easy. Thanks for joining me. Talk to you later. Bye.